everyone, welcome back to my channel. I will give you a very short tour in our small garden today. While Christian continue working on our house. So let's start from this portion of the hill. This is now our mulberries. They are growing good with plenty leaves now. Then we have here some oranges and lemon, and then pineapples. Yeah, we harvested 2 fruits already from these pineapples. Actually, we don't have too much plants in the garden right now because there are so many pests and so many snails, and also some part of the soil are not really good. We are still in the process of knowing or trying to understand the soil here in the farm. Yeah, and this portion here, it's the hill portion, and as you can see, I am a little bit on the top. Christian made so much effort and hard work to put all this, or to arrange all these stones like that, so we can have a row so we can walk, because this is really a slope going there down, and then we just made in a stair or something like that, so we can step and we can walk. Like, some strawberries are growing, but also the pest starts also to make a damage. And then Christian is there. He is welding for the next beam for the wall. The grapes is also not really in good condition, but they are still growing with new leaves. And then we have here some watermelons. They are in flowers now, but also there are always so many insects, especially the orange. As you can see, there is one insect in the flower. The orange insect. Yeah, and then also you can see the melon. The insects eat the leaves of the melon. And then we have here the chili. This is where I get to put on my sauce, and but Christian don't like spicy. Yeah, and then there's a new one here with plenty green chili. And then I have plenty green pepper also before. Now there's one ripe, and I also reproduced five new from the seeds of this one. And then our strawberries in the pots. The mother strawberries, we don't transfer them yet. They stay in the pots, and then they keep on producing new kids, new runners. Later I will make a video on how to cut the runners of the strawberries. We have here some tomatoes, and then the cucumbers over there, we harvested some already. And then gingers in the pots, and some bunching onions, or the spring onions. Fortunately, our cucumbers survived from the insects. Look at this, there are some cucumbers here, and then also here, and they have so many flowers. And right here on these cages where we plant, this is where we put our seedlings and the seeds that I plant. And I have here some flowers, cypress vine, that's from the pack of seeds that Christian brought from the mall. some of my blue ternate flowers are growing. I ask the seeds from the neighbor. Later we can have blue ternate flowers on the farm, I hope. And here some seedlings, some watermelon, some Chinese pichay, lettuce, cabbages. I hope they will grow and no insects or pests after transferring to the soil. And then right here, green pepper to be transferred to the soil. I will do that this afternoon. I have some tall zinnia here and more tomatoes. And I have a lot of mini zinnias here on this side. We have string beans here also. There, Christian planted also napier on that side there. Yeah, so this is the other side of the farm, and then the lawn there. We got so many papayas. We love to eat ripe papayas and cold. I have there some marigolds growing. They have flowers. I planted more plants beside the road also, and gumamelas. The other side of the lawn is the, oh hey Mara, the napier on this side, and there is the goat's park. So we are entering the napier side, and at the end of this napier, Christian planted corn also, but it's not sweet corn, it's a white corn for the goats. Look at that. And also before, when we have rabbits, the rabbits used to eat corn seeds, but now we don't have any more, so we produce the seeds, and sometimes we plant again, and then sometimes, and the leaves also is for the goats. This is our garden here before, but since this is a flooded area, that's why we decided to transfer all the garden for vegetables on the other side. So that's all for today. That's a short tour for our garden and for our farm. Yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to click subscribe button.